So, Sonia, how long have you known about the Glazers and their work?
Well, I first found out about the Glazers in 2004. I went to a presentation, and I was so enthusiastic about what they had to offer that when I heard about this coming presentation, I jumped on the chance to attend. I actually requested vacation time so that I could come.
All right, great.
Yeah.
And now that you're seeing them again, what's something that you've taken away from this that you know you're going to use in the future in your work?
So one of the things that I'm especially excited about is really providing the people that I work with that feeling of gratitude that I may have been kind of dropping the ball on. And so now I am going to put together not only something that is prepared, but also just look for opportunities to let people know that they're appreciated, that all their work is important.
So when they were talking about looking for agreement points and looking for appreciation moments and that kind of thing.
Moments of appreciation,
Yeah.
That's the main thing. As far as our group meetings, creating this system so that everyone's voice is heard, that's the other part that I really want to take away.
Great. Well, thank you and good luck.